Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. eToro traders, do you want to explore futures trading on the eToro platform? You've come to the right place. Today, we will guide you throughout the steps to trade futures on eToro in 2024. Whether you are looking to capitalize on market trends or hedge your existing positions, eToro offers a user-friendly interface and a diverse range of futures contracts. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So the first thing guys that we need to cover in this video is what is the eToro futures contract and what are the trading in futures means. So a futures contract is a financial agreement that has an expiration date. It obligates an investor to purchase and another investor to sell a specific asset at a predetermined price. The expiration date is the specific date on which the actual exchange of the underlying asset is due to occur. Futures contracts close on a monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly basis. It is possible to roll over the contract, which involves selling the current contract and buying a new contract with a later expiration date, maintaining exposure to the market. So this is for the futures contract. Now, how can you roll over a future contract, or how can you basically trade the futures contract in eToro? So, instruments that are subject to contract rollover on eToro include the China A50 index in many commodities, such as copper, aluminium, palladium, and monthly crude oil futures. These instruments are traded as CFDs, so there is no delivery of the underlying asset, but positions close automatically on the expiry date and any profit or loss is realized. So the actual assets are not going to be basically bought by you, so you're not going to actually get them. You are actually just gonna invest in the assets themselves. So for all or their futures, you can maintain exposure by opening a position on the new contract when it becomes available, shortly after the previous contract expires. It is therefore vitally important you monitor these dates of expiry. On a select number of their future contracts such as VIX and crude oil, you can manually roll over your position. For these instruments, the next contract becomes available on the platform about a week before the front or current contract expires. So these can be identified by the expiration month in the sticker symbol. As an example, VIX October. So this is how it looks. So this is the contract, and this is basically the day or the month where it is going to be expired. So this is just as an example. So to give an example of rollover, let's say you are trading a VIX October future, which expires in October. The expiration date is approaching and you want to roll over the position. So you close the trade and simultaneously open a position on the new contract with a later expiration date, for example, VIX November. So these are full instruments list of the futures that you can trade on basically eToro. So you have here cryptocurrencies, you can trade them 24/7. Here there is stocks and ETFs. So here is when the market opens and this is where the market closes. So there is a daily break. So as you can see here, from 5 a.m. I think from 5 p.m. till 11 p.m. something like that. So this is like all the things that you can trade off. There is commodities also, which are oil, gold, silver, copper, nat gas, platinum, palladium, sugar, cotton, and cacao. And there is also indices like US dollar, SPX, UK, FRA, Germany 40, or Australia 200, etc. And there is the currencies. Basically, there is Euro USD, there is USD Japan yen, there is pound in US dollar, there is a lot of things. So as you can see here, you have all the details from when the market opens and when the market actually closes during the week for each of these currencies. So most of the currencies are actually closed between, like, starts at 9 of Sunday and closed as Friday 8:30. And basically for the other things, and this is also Sunday at 10 p.m. and basically there is some of them at 6 a.m. Yeah, so they vary a lot as you can see here. So you have to check which market you are going to aim for, and basically here you will find all the dates and hours where you can actually trade. But beside the cryptocurrencies, everything has its own date, and cryptocurrencies you can trade them, of course, whenever you want, 24/7, as long as you want. Now for the futures and commodities, and what is the difference? So here, as you can see, there is an article. So what are futures? So futures are legally binding contracts for buying or selling an amount of an asset at a predetermined price on a specific future date. So these contracts are traded or exchanged and are used to invest in a wide range of assets such as commodities, stocks, and indices and forex. Now, are commodities traded as future? Yes, as we saw here, you can trade them in here. So here they are, commodities, so you can actually find them. So more user-friendly instruments have been created by brokers to allow clients to access the commodities sector without taking on all of the risk and administrative duties associated with trading futures on an exchange. Some investors optimize option for commodity stocks, commodity ETF, or commodity CFDs. So basically this is the general like definition or difference between the future and commodities. And basically this is it. This is how you can actually start trading on futures on your eToro account. Yes, you can trade. Yes, you can do it today. Yeah, depending on the day, of course. Since you are, for example, if you're not going for cryptocurrencies, yes, you should check the date and where the market closes and opens. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next tutorial.